Hello, teacher. Good night. My name is Frederico Cortés. Uh, the world is wonder of naturaleza. It is located in department of the Putumayo. Hi, mom. Uh, I have written to you from the wonder of the naturaleza. Nature called the end of the day tour about this wonderful place and the and is decided to go and meet it. Uh, I am sitting at the tip of the waterfall where you breathing a piece on the sea a lot of the biodiversity. Uh, the water that flows from the waterfall is crystal clear. Uh, the water is very pleasant. You breathe fresh at the morning. It is less sunny until sunset and the night is feel very cold. Due to the vegetation and the river banks. The next day, after breakfast, after walks in the area wind the, the hill of a tour guide and the wind, you finally swim through those beautiful crystalline waters, filled in the immensity of the Iris Nature and the young, bright, beautiful landscape. Question. Question. Uh, would you recommend the place to your friends and the other people? Oscar is a very beautiful place where you can rest and see the wonder of nature. What did you like the most audible place? What is like most about the place once the waterfalls and the fish I tell you great. Thank you. Good night, teacher.